Greetings from the beautiful island of Aruba. My friend and I had a great time exploring the island on our port excursion, and we're excited to take you along for the ride. Get ready to see some stunning scenery. Aruba is part of the ABC Islands, a group of 3 islands: Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. It is the westernmost island of the group, located about 15 miles off the coast of Venezuela. Dutch is the official language, and the population speaks Papiamento. Papiamento is a Creole language that blends elements of Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, African, and indigenous languages. English is also widely spoken. During a cruise on the Norwegian Epic with my friend Annie, Aruba was our first stop, and it was such an exciting moment because Aruba has been on my bucket list for years. We opted for a Jeep safari with EZ Raider Aruba Tours, and had the chance to be guided by the very knowledgeable Kurt.
Today we're going to go to the north side, where you have much more rough waves, rough water. It's because of the trade wind. We have the northeast trade wind coming in, that creates the big waves on the north side. That's why you're going to see a completely different scenario than this side.
We drove to the Arikok National Park and were stunned by the impressive desert views, cacti, coral, and lava rocks. Our trusty vehicle bravely tackled the rocky road that led to a jaw-dropping view of the whole island, and we spotted some secluded beaches. I got to take a picture next to a cactus. Can you believe I had never seen one before? Our first stop was the iconic natural pool, also known as Conchi. It's a unique and picturesque swimming hole located within the park and a popular destination. It offers a breathtaking setting for swimming and snorkeling. You can also cliff jump. Be careful climbing into and out of the pool. The wet rocks are slippery and can be treacherous. Next, we headed to the Fontaine Cave and Quadriki Cave to explore the ancient drawings left behind by the first inhabitants of the island. It was a fascinating look into Aruba's rich history and culture. In the second cave, we saw sunlight streaming into the different chambers, creating a beautiful and unique atmosphere. If you take a picture in the exact right spot, you can see a heart. Our guide Kurt made sure to take a few pictures. To end the morning, we visited the beautiful Baby Beach, which is a sheltered bay located on the southern coast of Aruba. It's named after the calm waters and has a vibrant coral reef located just offshore with a wide variety of marine life. In the water, I met a local man named Buckeye who was feeding the fish. He was kind enough to let me capture some amazing footage of the colorful fish. This moment added a special touch to my visit to Aruba, and the footage I captured will be a lasting memory. We then drove around the town of San Nicolas, Aruba's second largest city. This town was once a thriving community, driven by the oil industry, and many Afro-Arubans settled in the city, attracted by the many jobs. However, when the oil company closed its doors, many residents left in search of work, leading to the eventual abandonment of the city. In recent years, San Nicolas has undergone a resurgence, with many new businesses and cultural initiatives springing up. The city has become well known for its vibrant street art scene, with many buildings and walls adorned with colorful and thought-provoking graffiti. There are over 50 hand-painted murals in San Nicolas, making it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the island's cultural and artistic heritage. To end this magical day, we visited Divi Beach, where we had the chance to relax and enjoy the beautiful turquoise waters before heading back to our cruise ship. Aruba truly is a unique and beautiful island, and this excursion allowed us to explore it in a way that we would never have been able to do on our own. This was a day to remember. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure in Aruba. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and happy travels!